In fact, Rubrik has reported enlisting 7 additional banks to assist with its IPO. So they're moving even stronger towards an IPO thing. And that's in addition to the 3 previously disclosed underwriters, which included Goldman Sachs, Barclays, and Citigroup. The company, whose investors include Microsoft and various capital venture firms, have been steadily growing its software subscription annual recurring revenue, reaching over 500 million in January, up to 400 million in August 2022, or compared to August 2022. Its CEO has expressed the company's readiness to go public when the time is right. Obviously, a lot of companies looking at when is the time right with the current financial situation. So, Max, what do you think? Is this a good move for Rubrik at this point?
It's a great question here. uh, I was also wondering, whether it's the right time for this move. But looking at what you were talking before, the results that we're seeing from Pure, from Nutanix, from even HP, even if HP is a bit more mitigated somehow. I mean, it feels like we're seeing a kind of a restart, after a year and a half of kind of recession and a pretty much, let's say, gloomy picture for the whole industry overall. So, I mean, sometimes you hear that the time is never right to do something, but at some point you have to do it. So I would say that overall, if I'm looking at what Rubrik has achieved recently, I'm not going to look at the financials, but looking in terms of the capabilities, looking at their ability to deliver and so on. It looks like they're definitely doing some good stuff. And I mean, the number seems to be backing that actually, so I mean, if not now, when? I mean, at some point they have to make the move, and they're in a market where we're seeing more and more competition. We're seeing a lot of data protection companies repositioning themselves in the security field, in cyber resiliency. There's some convergence also with data management. So those companies, at some point, maybe they need to make a move there. So I think yes, it's now or never probably. And maybe that's a bit of a radical statement, but I mean, they've been talking about that for years. So yeah, good for them. I hope they just get moving with that.